So after looking at the histogram, skewness and kurtosis, we are done with measures of shape. So now let's, before we jump into the another tool in summarizing the data, let's look into the navigational map of summarizing the data. So we are done with measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode. Then we have moved on to the measures of dispersion, measures of variability, range, variance, standard deviation, interquartile range, mean absolute deviation. Then we jumped into the measures of shape. We have finished with skewness, kurtosis, histogram. Now it's time to enter into percentiles. So here we'll be looking at the percentile, quartile, and deciles. So we're gonna understand the percentiles, quartiles, and deciles. So these are ways to measure a particular data point compares to the rest of data in a data set. Simply, it represents the value below which a certain percentage of the data falls. That's the main point of percentiles or quartiles and deciles. We'll be looking into all those things one by one.